Let's get it. Up to another morning, pour myself some cocoa pebbles. Look outside, sun is blazing, so take a look at the weather channel. Predictions say it's gonna rain, that means more problems coming.